Hi guys, if Mac pages are quitting unexpectedly, then here is the fix. First of all, let's try a workaround of it. So what you can do, this is not a fix, it's a workaround. You can just right click on the page which you're working and click on share and share to yourself on a mail or any app, okay, so that you have a copy of it so that you don't lose your important work. Let's try fixing it. First fix is click on this Apple icon and click on force quit and just locate pages and click on force quit and see if it works or not. If this does not work, then what you can do, you can just Google pages to Word and go to any converter like this, okay, and now what you have to do, you have to just convert your pages to doc format, and once it gets converted and downloaded, and once it gets downloaded, right click on it and open with pages, okay, and start working on it and you will not face any problem. Now if this problem is still not going away, what you can do, you can try reinstalling the pages. So just go to applications, find pages, just drag and drop to trash. It says open, so try to close pages and then move to trash. Still showing it's open, then click on Apple icon, click on force quit it, and now uninstall it. Enter your Mac password. Now once it gets installed, uninstalled, then just open App Store and search pages and install it again, and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and